snoring and sleep apnea is a continuum, and it has to do with the weakening of the air tube that we breathe through. The palate and tongue start to get floppier with time, and so it's less able to handle air. And so some people are born with floppy tissues and they snore very young. Some people don't develop snoring till later in life. Some people snore for a decade and only have mild to moderate sleep apnea after all that time. But as you can see from me, I started snoring and developed severe sleep apnea in just a 6-month window. So it happens differently for everybody. Getting a sleep test is vital to understand what's happening with you.